Sandra? No? Sandra? Sandra? All right, this is our final segment for this week's program here on Car Connection Radio, 770-226-0920. On the line with us is Sandra. Sandra, you had a question for Vince and I. What can we help you with this morning? Mm-hmm.
Sandra, I hear you're concerned. How many miles on this vehicle? Uh-huh. That could be the problem. I'll tell you what, Sandra, I'd like you to call me during the week directly. You can call me at 1-800-ASK-CARS, and I'll be able to converse with you more about that. And I'm not a mechanical guru, but I have some people to back me up. But I have some thoughts of what the problem could be. And if you would call me during the week, Tuesday on, I will be able to help you. My name is Vince. I'm the handsome one here. Thank you, dear.
All right, Sandra, hold on. We'll pick up with you just in just a moment. And our next caller has a question about financing.